Looks like rain. Raindrops keep falling on my head, just like the guy whose feet are just too big for his bed. Nothing ever seems to fit. Nothing. Those raindrops are falling. They keep falling. God, falling on my head. Falling on my head. So I did me some talking to the sun. I said I didn't like the way you got things done, boy. Always sleeping on the job, man. Those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling, coming down and falling on my head. Falling on my head.
But there is one thing I know. These blues they send to meet me. They won't come to defeat me. I won't be long till happiness comes to greet me. Happiness will come to greet me. Because those raindrops are falling and they keep coming on and falling on my head.
Falling on my head. Falling on my head. Raindrops, they keep falling on my head. But that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me. Crying's not for me. I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, never. Because baby, I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.